This 2019 Jayco Redhawk 31XL is a Class C RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2019 Jayco Redhawk 31XL is built on a FORD E450 chassis and is powered by a TRITON engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.